Okay guys, so this is the Inse Cordless Stick Vacuum S610. A little more details. Here is powerful suction, retractable wand, anti-allergy, large dustpan, and motorized floor brush. In front of the box here, you got all their information so you can contact them, their phone number, their support email, and their website. Also has the QR code. Nice little vacuum, and it's cordless. A little more specifications on the side. You can see there the model number S610, operating power 250 watts, operating voltage. You can see there's 29.6. Input 36 volt, input current 500, weighs about 7.7 pounds. And give you a little more details there. Use type only dry. The other side of the box, same exact thing. Here's the name itself. So let's get the box open and see how it comes. And then towards the end of the video, I will do some cleaning, pass it around my house. Okay, so we're gonna start off. You do have a user manual. Make sure you go through it, check it out, and make sure you do everything the right way, and it'll tell you exactly how to do everything. You also get this. It's a quick startup guide, tips. Okay, so everything is nice and packed. There's no way that it will get damaged. You see here. So, start taking stuff out. So you have a little tight one for tight corners, basically. You got a little brush. Top side, another one with a brush as well. Put this on your wall so you can hang it up. So this is the first part. Very nice quality. So here, very nice. Look at that. Very light. So now we take off this part right here, and everything else is on the bottom. You do get your filter. Now you get the bottom part. Very nice. Look at that. Nice brush. Well built. Okay, get your battery. Get charged in the back. Very nice size battery. This is your charger. And final but not least, this is your vacuum top motor. So you got your little tank. All your stuff's gonna go in there. Nice size hole. Top side. There you go. Very, very nice. Nice button. So you put your battery right there, and it's good to go. I don't think the battery is fully charged yet, or any kind of charging, but let's slide it in. Try it out. Okay, so you slide it in, it goes right in. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and quiet. You want it more powerful. Click right there. So use the trigger. Okay, sounds pretty nice. So we'll give it a try and make sure that it does pick up the stuff needs to be picked up. check it out. Okay, before I start putting everything together, it does have two filters. If you open this up right here and you give this a little twist, there you go. Your filter will be in there. So that basically screw into right there. Okay, you lock it in and you close it and you're good to go. So let's get it all together. Okay, so basically getting it together, you have your bottom part, you have your wand, bring that up. Okay, so this slides down. It clips in just like that. Okay, so now you got the top part. That clips in just like this. Okay, you can see there, it rolls pretty well. Your little LED lights. So let's see how bright your LED lights will be. Turn off the light. That is your LED light. Very nice. Very nice. Give you a little front view. Okay, there's a few things a little dirty in my house. So let's get it on and let's go. Yeah, it picks up very good. Look at that. With no trouble. Very light. Let's see a little more here. No issues at all. Works great. I love that it's small and it like fit everywhere, and the head of the vacuum swivels. Very nice. Just by, see that? Give it a little twist to the left, give it a little twist to the right, and it just turns. No issue. This picks up real good. I like it. Love that it's very light and very smooth, you know, very smooth. Just by a little twist of the hand, it turns. Very, very nice. Love it. No issue at all. So I gotta put a few cat food or something on the floors to see how it really picks up, and we'll go from there. Awesome. Okay, the little bit that I did in my kitchen, you can see that it picked up quite a bit. So now I'm gonna do my rug in my room. Okay, it doesn't seem like it's dirty, but we'll check it out. Very smooth. Pass it one more time. Okay, just this part. Oh, I'm using a high real fast. Jump it up a little bit. Alright. The rug that was a little clean. So you can see there. Oh yeah, look at that. Picked up a lot. Didn't look like I had all that. So now I'll do the entire whole room and we'll see in the end. Alright, so battery charge. Now I'm gonna do my whole entire house. Basically, it is, can't really tell that it's pretty much dirty, but we'll go through it and we'll see how much garbage comes out. I did this part, now I'll do the other side. So okay, let's get it going. You press it once, it turns on low. Press it again, turn it on high. Press it up, turn it off. Turn it on. That's higher. So let's look through the whole house. I'm gonna get to the first vlog. Very nice and smooth. Real quick. Okay, I did this side, so now I'm going to do the other side. Love that it gets the little corners. You see, just by the turn of your wrist, it goes into the corner. You can see I'm doing it real quick. There we go. Get under the sofa. Oh, not that bad. Cheers. So that's pretty quick. Did a little bit of the house. So now we'll see how much stuff came off the floor. Okay, let's look it up. Okay, so I did the house pretty quick. It wasn't long. It took about 6-7 minutes, and the battery did not die. So you can see it picked up a lot of stuff, and the house looked clean. So it does do a good job. You can see that it did pick up. So let's get it open, pour it in the trash, and we'll see how much came out. Okay, so to open this, basically you have this little tab. So I'm gonna loosen this. Okay, so I took the head part out. Okay, so press this button, get it open. You can see there, it picked up a lot. Okay, so let's pour it in the garbage. Look at this. Crazy. Look at this. So yes, it does pick up a lot. So clean it up, and now I am ready to go again. Very good vacuum. Tell you how much battery you have. Very nice.